What if you could transform your look in just 7 days? Let us start our part 2 video and complete the next 10 ways to glow up in 7 days.
Gentle cleansing. The first step to how to glow skin naturally is keeping it clean. Opt for a mild cleanser that removes impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Sun protection. One of the most crucial skincare tips at home is to protect your skin from the sun. Use a broad-spectrum SPF to prevent premature aging and maintain your face's natural glow. DIY face mask. Incorporate glowing skin home remedies into your routine. Ingredients like turmeric, honey, and yogurt can offer face glow tips for every skin type. Exfoliation. Removing dead skin cells is essential for how to make your skin glow naturally at home. Use a gentle exfoliant once or twice a week to reveal brighter, smoother skin. The magic of oils. For those wondering how to glow face at home, natural oils like jojoba, rosehip, and tea tree can enhance your skin's radiance while providing nourishment. Aloe vera. This plant is a treasure trove of glowing skin secrets. Its soothing and healing properties make it a great addition to your nighttime routine. Remove makeup before hitting your bed. Before going to bed, do not forget to remove all traces of makeup from your face. Sleeping on will clog the pores with makeup, leading to pimples and breakouts. It will also make the skin appear dead and dull. For makeup removal, you can use an alcohol-free cleanser. Some people prefer using an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup. You must take special care of certain areas. You need to pay attention to those special areas that show early signs of aging, such as the neck, eyes, and hands. Gradually, the skin around the neck and hands becomes loose and dark circles and puffiness under the eyes can be detected. These are the initial symptoms of skin aging. Throw away the expired skin products. Do not use very old beauty products, creams, equipment, etc. Before purchasing and using the product, always verify the expiry date. As it contaminates and making it dangerous for personal use, try not to share your makeup with others. Final thoughts. Quite the obvious, yet so ignored. The lives that we live today keep us on our toes all the time. It is very difficult to make time for everything. However, you must make a little time for yourself and your skin in the daily hustle and bustle to have the skin that you wish for. So, now you know the top 20 tips that you must follow to achieve that healthy glow on your skin.
Strutting down the street, she's a queen. Every step she takes lights up the scene. Confidence radiates, can't be unseen. She's the brightest star you've ever seen. Glow on, girl, you're the fire, burning bright, lifting higher. In a world full of desire, you're the dream you inspire. Lipstick, fierce hair, untamed. She's the storm that can't be named. No one else can play a game. She's the wild, can't be tamed. She's got a heart made of gold, strength in her hands, she's bold. Her story's yet to be told. Watch her rise and take hold. Glow on, girl, you're the fire, burning bright, lifting higher. In a world full of desire, you're the dream you inspire. Lipstick, fierce hair, untamed. She's the storm that can't be named. No one else can play her game. She's the wild, can't be tamed. She's got a heart made of gold, strength in her hands, she's bold. Her story's yet to be told. Watch her rise and take hold. Glow on, girl, you're the fire, burning bright, lifting higher. In a world full of desire, you're the dream you inspire. She wakes up with the smoke in her eyes. Mirror whispers, girl, you got no lies. Stretching her wings like a butterfly. She's got that glow, can't be denied. Strutting down the street, she's a queen. Every step she takes lights up the scene. Confidence radiates, can't be unseen. She's the brightest star you've ever seen. Glow on, girl, you're the fire, burning bright, lifting higher in no world.
Do let us know which one of these worked for you in comments. Don't forget to drop in any other topics that you would like us to write about. Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks.